In this video, I want to show you how to insert a page break before each instance of a particular style. So first we're going to put style heading 1 on anything that is a chapter title. So I'll go ahead and add heading 1 as the style for those. I'm also going to stick in a subheading which will be heading 2 style, and this will just be my regular text. Okay, now I'm going to go up to the style menu and I'm going to come down here to style 1. I'm going to click on edit style. When you get into the style menu, you want to look for text flow up at the top and click on that, and then come down to the middle of that section where it says breaks and click on insert. Page is what we want to do is insert a page, and the position would be before heading 1. So go ahead and apply that and then click OK, and you'll see that chapter 2, chapter 3, and chapter 4 are no longer on this page. So if I scroll down, you can see that chapter 2 now is at the top of a new page, and I continue down and so is chapter 3 at the top of a page and chapter 4. I hope that helps.